Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to send audio messages on iPhone. So now without any further ado, let's begin with the steps. So first of all, launch iMessage on your iPhone. Now once you are here, tap open any chat you wish to, or you can even compose a new message by tapping on that pencil and paper icon at the top right corner. Now once you are here, you can see various options at the bottom. Now just at the right hand side corner of text message box, you can see a microphone option. However, that is not the way to record audio messages on iPhone. If you tap on that microphone option, you will have the voice to text speech option on your phone. However, when you speak on that microphone, your voice will be converted to text and you can send that text message to your contact. For now, just tap on that plus icon at the left hand corner. Now over here, tap on the option of audio. Now over here, all you have to do is speak over here and your audio message will be recorded. Now in order to stop the audio from recording, just tap at the square button at the right hand corner. Now you can see that your audio has stopped recording. And if you think that this is not the right audio recording you have recorded, you can tap on the cross button at the left side. And then just tap on the plus option again so that you can re-record your audio again. So just tap on audio here and then continue recording your new message as well. After recording, just tap on that square button at the right hand corner. Now after your audio has stopped recording, you can see a plus button right beside the time of your audio recording. If you tap on it, your audio will continue to record again. Now let's stop the audio, and in order to send this audio, simply tap on this green upward button in order to send your audio to your contact. So follow these easy steps and you will be able to record audio message on your iPhone. And that's all for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.